Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Veo 3 for AI video creation. Of course, what you'll need to know is Veo 3 as examples. Let's just go and show you like during the video. So I'll just go and type Veo 3 on any browser. Once you do so, you'll be taken here. So you can click add the first link. Here, as you can see, you can go and try Veo in Gemini or in Flow. So for Flow, you will not be able to use it unless you are in specific countries. At the moment, I guess, I'm not very sure, but I guess it's working just in two countries, which is the United States and the United Kingdom. If you are one of those two countries, you should be able to use those. Of course, it might be different in the future. And in Gemini, of course, you will have to go and get the Google AI Pro. Because as you can see in the free plan, you will not have access to Veo 3. But in the Pro plan, you will get, as you can see, access to AI filmmaking tools custom built in with Veo 3 to create cinematic scenes and stories. So you can go here and click on get started, and of course you'll have to go and pay. You can go and start even or get for yourself, as example, a free plan, pay for your plan, and then you'll be able to start using Veo 3. So as an example, let's just pretend for me this is Veo 3. To create an example, your AI video, you will need a prompt. You can use any other AI tool, or maybe even like this Gemini, not the Veo 3 Gemini. And you can just ask him, so like this. So create me a prompt to generate a realistic video, as example, or whatever video you want. So an AI video about like old wars. Let's just say something like that. And as example, let's just wait for the prompt. And as you can see, he'll give me the prompt. All I need to do now is simply just go and copy maybe this prompt. And you can simply just go, or he's giving me here like the whole prompt. I can just go and copy that and simply just go and type it or enter it in the Veo 3. Once I do so, I'll be able to generate my AI video for me and I should be good to go. So let me just go here and click on enter. Of course, this is, let's just say this is Veo 3 for you. For me, I don't have Veo 3 because I don't have the Pro plan. So as you can see, it will generate me an image, not a video, but it's fine. So I'm just going to pause it. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.